Okay, so I found out that there is a notch here. It's not a notch, it's a flat part where I can put a wrench to unscrew this shower head from the pipe. I put a electrical tape around this pipe so I can put a vice grip, and grab this thing while I put a wrench to twist this thing and disconnect the shower head. The reason that is that I don't want to damage this pipe, and I also don't want this whole thing to twist when I put a wrench and unscrew this shower head. Otherwise, I may be damaging something inside the wall, which will be a bad news. I did put some WD-40 around here. You can see there's some gunk around here, but I did put WD-40 lubricant and let it set for again over an hour. Get prepared to loosen this whole thing. I just hope this is going to be successful, and I'm thinking of going to Lowe's and buy a new shower head and replace this one. Back in February, like I said before, back in February I put a bag of vinegar and baking soda, tried to unclog all the holes inside the shower head, but that didn't work. That was February 6, 2020. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna keep going.